that, we wanted to bring all the school councils together to best practice share, as we felt the best way for school councils to learn was from each other.
I think this day is important because school councils meet up, need to see what other school councils do.
I've learned the different views and opinions of other school councils.
I've learned how to be a better school counsellor.
Dwi'n credu mae fe'n hanfodol i plant i cael ei farn.
Today we are trying to make us more of a global citizen and try how we can improve our schools and our community.
So our opinions can be told and make a change.
If we don't learn about this stuff that's going on in people's lives and how to overcome them, it can get worse for them.
We get to talk community about issues which maybe other schools are experiencing as well.
Also, they learn about other stuff, for example, like global citizens.
I like being with other communities and other schools.
I wanted to be a part of the school council because I wanted to make a change to the school.
I enjoy debating.
The teachers don't exactly know what's always going around in the school, but the students always do.
I wanted to make a difference and my voice to be heard within the school. And I really want to support other pupils.
We brought in hoodies and the school toilets have been painted.
We've got new benches.
Anti-bullying, we did a competition for posters to support anti-bullying.
More bins.
I hope we can get more views and opinions to the head teacher so she can hear our views as well.
Hopefully I could go into politics.
Hopes of the future are that everyone can have a voice.